Hey guys, so I wanted to share this item with you that I got from Burpee. I just got it a couple days ago and I kind of forgot it when I was filming another video. I was supposed to show all of my new items from Burpee, but this one just like I completely forgot. So here it is. It is an herb and flower dryer. So cool. I got into drying herbs big time last year, and this is going to be so helpful for me. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Oh, all the pieces. Okay. Take this paper off. More pieces are falling. Okay. Let me get this to look right. So it's a ring. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Okay, so here, 2 rings there, 2 rings here. Where are the other ones going? Hang on. I'm back. Okay. So check this out. How cool is this? So pretty much you tie your herbs or your flowers together and then you hang them on this hook. I would put this in a place that gets really good airflow. You can put it in your house or under a covered porch. If you have like, you know, some sort of structure outside that can get good airflow, you can stick it in there. But yeah, look how cool this is. Super cool. This is on the Burpee website if you want one. Alright guys, thank you.